Well, make a me case wash off the chicken here with the vinegar. I want to do it fast, that's my daughter can come home and get some of this food. Anyhow she ever late, me personally I eat off the food and she nah get none. Me is a man I like share my food, you know, but me will share my ingredients. Now, me I go cook some stewed chicken with some vegetable what we find in my fridge. Me not have to go no hotel.
Well, me have a little purple onion. See it there? My purple onion. Yeah, a regular onion and my scallion. Pepper, tomato and my thyme. That's all me have in my kitchen and my little piece of garlic.
All I have to do is turn it on in a fashion. See it? Me I did some Charlene chop. In a record time me I cut up this just to eat off the food. Because me not share it, only the recipe.
Well, me find a nice little piece of carrot. I'll show you how me I go do it. Now me I go transfer my little thing here. Definitely. You know what this? Just one little teeny piece of cinnamon leaf. Here, you just drop it like definitely. And you put in the secret ingredients. Just a little teeny bit. You know what, plenty, you know. Little bit of browning. Yeah, just like that. You know what, I will leave. Mix him up again with the spoon. They say me mix him up with the spoon. Me mix him up with me spoon. Little garlic a fry, definitely me I tell you, see there. Me say me garlic a fry, me garlic a fry, me garlic a fry.
Put in the meat in the pot and then transferring the vegetable into the pot. Definitely putting in all of my vegetable. Nice, so it look mellow and jello. Well, my rice definitely ready. My vegetable almost ready. My vegetable so ready. The food so ready. Me I go share out food now. And I want to let you know, I search my fridge and I find little food and I look after it. You don't have to go to hotel, you know. Home style remedy and I eat that. Only on the Rocky Corner Stone you find that. Please read the ingredients.